energetically. Ready to level up your online safety game? Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Use strong, unique passwords. Avoid using password 123 or your pet's name. Opt for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And don't forget to use different passwords for different accounts. Tip number 2. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just your password, but also a code sent to your phone. It might seem like a hassle, but it's a game changer for your security. Tip number 3. Keep your software updated. Those annoying update notifications? They're crucial. Updates often include security patches that protect you from the latest threats. So hit that update button. Bonus tip, be wary of phishing scams. Don't click on suspicious links or give out personal info to unknown sources. Always double-check the sender's email address and the website URL, so there you have it. Strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and staying updated can make a huge difference. Stay safe out there, tech warriors. Like and subscribe for more quick tips.